I'm going to convert this old horse barn into a workshop. There are a lot of disgusting things living in this old barn. And I'm going to rip off all the interior walls, stuff in some rock wool insulation, put up some vapor barrier, then cover it all with wood panels. I'm only allowed to have half of the barn for my shop, so I'll need to add a wall across the middle and put in a door. I'll need a big door for moving sheet goods into the shop. Once the wall is done, I'll move across to the other side and close in the big barn door. This door is never opened, and I won't need it for the shop. There's a smaller door as well that'll need to be replaced with a proper door. This small sliding door is no good at keeping the elements out, or the bugs, or the rats. When I get it all closed in, then I can start to clean it out and create a home for all the tools. And build storage solutions to sort out all the stuff in here. I have a SnapMaker 2.0 on order, a 3-in-1 CNC machine, laser etcher, and 3D printer. Once that arrives, I'll be using it and my other tools to create some cool stuff for the shop, and also for the rest of the farm, including the chicken coop, the greenhouse, and even inside the house. If this looks like something you might like, then feel free to subscribe and follow along with the progress. Here's some other videos showcasing some of the things I've made so far. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.